Hi, my name's Aaron and I'm a GSE technician for the RNZAF. When people think about the Air Force, it is mainly about the planes, but there's a ton of equipment to support the aircraft and what they do. So we day-to-day fix and maintain anything from a little 50cc generator or a lawnmower or chainsaw to a 40-tonne aircraft refuelling tankers, forklifts and specialist aircraft loading equipment. Our role changes depending where we're working. So if we're deployed, we'll be the people who set up the camp wiring, we'll be maintaining the generators, setting up the water treatment systems and stuff like that. Then we'll be maintaining the fuel that the aircraft need and the plant that goes along with that. Just anything that's not an aircraft. There's a lot to it. Wanted to be in the Air Force ever since I was about 12 when I went to careers expos at college. And when I first joined, one of the concerns I had was how you're treated day to day. There wasn't any shouting or anything like that, not too much yelling at you. There's informal and formal sides to it, but during the day it's just a job. Everyone's first name basis and you get on real well, have a bunch of fun. Pleasant surprise. Highlight of my career has been exercise pitch black last year. They have something like 130 fast jets flying around above Darwin for 2 weeks. So we were helping their GSE Techs maintain the arrestor gear, so that stuff that catches planes when they fail. The best thing about life in the Air Force is the lifestyle itself. There are a whole bunch of clubs within the Air Force that you can be a part of. I'm part of the motorsports club, so we do four-wheel driving or tarmac sprints, moped-a-thons and mud enduros. It's all real good fun. I've been all over New Zealand, so the GSE Techs and the Air Force support what used to be the Variety Bash and the Trillion Trek that goes around primary schools and gives away grants and bikes and all sorts like that. So we follow them around and fix their trucks as they break down all over New Zealand. And it's awesome to be able to give back to the community.